Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Ghost Jason. This special character is available in the mobile game Friday the 13th, Killer Puzzle. It's important to note that this is distinct from the console and PC multiplayer game. Ghost Jason is a fan favorite, inspired by the popular fan film Never Hike Alone, offering a unique look for your puzzle-solving adventures. The primary method to unlock Ghost Jason involves completing a daily death streak. You need to successfully finish a daily puzzle for 13 consecutive days. Consistency is key here. If you miss a single day, your streak will reset, and you'll have to begin the 13-day challenge from the very start. Stay diligent to earn this special reward. Each day, the game presents a new puzzle with a unique murder scenario. Your goal is to strategically move Jason across the board, eliminating all the counselors in the most efficient way possible. Successfully completing these puzzles is crucial, as each victory contributes to your 13-day streak, bringing you closer to unlocking Ghost Jason. Once you successfully complete your 13-day daily death streak, Ghost Jason will automatically be unlocked and added to your collection. You can then easily select this unique, pale avatar from your character roster before starting any puzzle. Enjoy embodying this fan-favorite version of Jason as you continue your murderous puzzle-solving sprees.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.